I want you guys to check out the quality of these flat tappet cams that we get these days, which is probably why some of them are going flat, but most people probably don't even pay attention to this or check it out. But look at this, the way the casting is. Rough as heck anymore. And look at that right there. See that sticking up? That's not the only spots like that. So, when you're installing your camshaft, the lifters are trying to ride on that. What do you think those little bumps are doing sticking up? I'm sure they're not helping it one little bit. So now you got to go along and you got to clean up all this casting flash along here. Here's another horrible one. Make sure your lifters are actually riding on the lobe where they're supposed to be. And the fix to that is to take this and clean off all that casting. So now you got to spend another probably an hour cleaning this up to make sure that your flat tappet camshaft does not go flat.